Hi everyone, Kevin here. Today I want to show you how you can build your very own YouTube studio. We're going to cover all types of topics today. We're going to talk about lighting, cameras, editing software, rugs. Whoa, hold up. Why are we going to talk about rugs? Well, it turns out rugs can greatly impact your sound quality. We're going to cover lots of different topics today. Feel free to use the timestamps in the description to jump right into the
By
video.
means of
Otherwise, let's
this,
jump right
they
in.
make
The
the
first step is
poisonous
that
gases
recommend for setting up
can
your YouTube
be
studio. And this is going to be by
attracted
far
to
the
your
most expensive item is
nose,
having
the
your own
nostrils.
dedicated space for
So it's
filming. Yes,
around
real
the
estate prices in Seattle are
nostrils,
very expensive.
full of
It doesn't have
the
to be anything
poisonous
fancy.
gases.
You could just have a spare bedroom in your
So
house that you use for filming.
by this
Some of
way,
the
they
benefits,
made
well,
the
you can set
poisonous
up your camera,
gases,
you can set up your lighting, you can set up your
selective.
microphone, and then you can leave them where they are.
Only the
So when you go to edit
TI
again, there's as
can
little friction
be
as possible to pull
attacked
together
by
the
the
content.
poisonous
Now, in
gases.
my specific